Hi Jessica. So today we're going to learn how to fix your equipment page. So here's your equipment page, as you can see. Right now you have 4, which is booties, fins, masks, and wetsuit. So we're gonna add more down here. So how we're gonna do that is really simple. So we can go to the all pages. And from there you can find the equipment page. You edit this. Okay, so when you go to the visual side, you can see all your products here, right? So what you're gonna do right now is really simple. You see the last one, wetsuit. So you're just gonna take your mouse, go over this, copy, and you paste it. Okay, so now you see a second wetsuit. Okay, so now you're gonna go to this one, the mask. You're gonna copy this, and you're gonna paste it here before the last one that you did. So now you have another row of items. So you see the first row is the booties and your fins, followed by second row, which is a mask and wetsuit, and now you have a third row, which is mask and wetsuit again. Okay, so if you update the page, okay, now you're gonna refresh this page. And you will see that you have your wetsuit and your mask again. Okay, the reason why that this is a bit long is actually because you have to go here into the HTML. You have to look. You see this height? The standard is width 340 and height 220. So you can actually edit this to 220. So yeah, once you have done that, you just click update. And now you can update this again. Great, so now it's at the same height. Okay, and this is a different size than this. So let's go and check what's wrong. Alright, it's equals to. Okay, so you can copy this. It's a code, and you can actually go and paste it here. Well, it's not really necessary to do this, but just to make it look standardized, paste it on wetsuit. Well, to put it simply, these are actually color codes. Color 000000 is actually black. This is the font size. 1.4 EM is actually the measurement. The line height is the height of the line, how thick it is. And yeah, so these are just styling. It styles your word. So it's called span. You see, span. And this is the closing one. This is the opening. This is the opening span tag, and this is the closing. You need to close it. So that's why there's one at the front and one at the back. So you see, I just put for mask and wetsuit, and you update this, and you will see that it becomes the same. Yep, you see. So now you see it's standardized because of the same span styling that I used. Alright, so if you want to change the color, you can actually just go here. You can go to Google and type color codes. Color codes. They'll give you the codes. You can actually, I know that white is FFF. So if you change that to that, it will change the color of the font. See, so it becomes white. Or instead of doing that, you can actually go to the word. You see, now it's in white, so you can actually go here see select text color, you can actually choose, and it becomes black. Yeah, so you just, this is the, you know, faster way to do it, you know. But yeah, if you can't do it here, you can just do it at the back in the coding section here. It's the same thing. Alright, so it's black for now. You can change it to whatever color you want anytime. Okay, so now you have your third row of items. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna delete this picture. You're gonna delete it by backspace, and you're gonna add another picture. So here it is. You're just checking whether it's recording. Alright, it's recording, great. So right now I actually took some of your pictures from each of the new categories that you have added, and now I actually resized them. I resized them all to the same size, which is 340 pixels wide. You can see the dimensions, 340 times 220. So I use Photoshop for this, but you can use any program to resize all your pictures, you know, if you want them to look the same size. Alright, so okay, so I'm going to upload the first, well, let's see, okay, let's take accessories for the first one. Okay, and now you can actually see that they have this link URL here, right here. So now you're going to replace this. You're going to replace this with what? Alright, let's go to your products. So you're now doing accessories, right? So you see a mark light, you click on view it, and here you see the accessories category, right? The link, right? So you right click, copy the link address of that of this mark light, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna paste it right here. So you see now the link of this picture, when people click on it, it goes to scubaido.com/product category /accessories. So that's where they can see the accessories appear. Great, right? So make sure to click full size, you know, so that it becomes 340 times 220. This is the size that I put. Okay, so insert into post. So you see it appears now, and now you can go and update it. So now we're going to refresh the page. And okay, so you see now it's accessories, right? So when people click on it, there you go. Pretty simple, right? So now we're just gonna repeat the process. Oh, by the way, so since it's changed to accessories, we have to change it back, the word from mask to accessories. Accessories. Great. So wait for it to update. Just checking. Alright, we're at 8 minutes. Great. Okay, so here you go. Accessories. You can change this font to white later, like just now how I taught you, if you want, or any other color for that matter. And now we are going to do this one, wetsuit, the second wetsuit. So here we go. Do the same thing, backspace, and now we're gonna add the picture. So yeah, so now we're gonna add this BCD category. It's actually really simple, not very difficult. I'm sure that you can do it as well. So whenever you want to add new categories, this is actually how you do it. So yeah, insert into post. Oh wait, just checking. Well, you can actually remove this title if you don't want, or you can actually name it as something else. You can just name it BCD like that, you know, if you want. It's not really compulsory, but you know. So insert into post. Okay, so now you can change this to BCD. Easy, right? So update. So there you go, it's over here. If you go click on it, there you go. So yeah, I'll be doing the other, like, I think there's 4 more categories for you. Yeah, so I'll end the video here since I already done 2 for you, so you know how you can just repeat this process to add the rest. But I'll do the rest for you anyways. But if you want to add more in the future, you just have to follow this process and you'll be fine. So yeah, it's pretty simple. And I'll be doing 1 more video for you to teach you how to add different color choices for the items, and also different sizes, and well, yeah, that will be discussed in the next video. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks, Jessica.